Good morning, all. Today I'm discussing the topic marketing mix. So, this is another important concept in the marketing. So, marketing is a combination of mixing of all these things. So, it refers to the combination of four basic elements, that is product, price, promotion, and place. These are known as 4Ps in the marketing. So, these 4Ps are very, very important in the marketing because you you must need for marketing for all these. So price important, place important, product is important, and promotion is important. So you have to mix all of them. That is called as marketing mix. The combination of all these things is nothing but called as marketing mix. Okay. So and then we are discussing about each and everything. So product, first product is very, very important. So without product we are unable to market, because after you are completing production, then you are getting the product. Then after that only you have to start the process of product marketing. So while coming into the product, there are important things related to the product. Then what are they? Features, quality, branding, packaging, services, warranties. Okay. So features are very, very important. What are the features we have? That is very, very important. Suppose what are the features you are provided, you are giving with the product, that is called as features. What are the specifications? That means what type of suppose how it is used for customer, and how it satisfies the needs of the customer. That is nothing but features. Okay, so you are fulfilling the needs and desires of the people with the features of the product. Okay, so the features are fulfilling the are satisfied the needs and desires and requirements of the customer. That is very, very important thing in the customer marketing. So because the customer is the god, so without customer you are unable to do marketing. So the customer is a very important thing in the marketing. Okay, so that's why you have to attract the customer and you fulfill the requirements of the customer. Then based on that you are design the product, and you have to give the features uh, for this product. Then another important thing is quality. Okay, so quality is another important thing. So you have to give maintain a quality in for the product. Then without quality nobody is purchasing your product. That means there is no repeat customer. Suppose if you are giving a quality less product or without quality, then uh, the customer is purchasing your product at only one time, so there is no reputation. Okay, so then you face some problems in business, and also you are slowly getting losses. Okay, so then the quality is very, very important. First you have to focus on the quality, then you have to give the quality products to the customer. Then after that, branding of the product is very, very important. What brand you have to select, what is the brand name of the product, that is also creates an impact in the customer mind. So because customer perception is different. Okay, so according to the customer psychology, then uh, you have to create a brand. Suppose if you are taking a Geo, so it is a very simple name, catchy name. So Geo, it's a two letters name. Then we are unable to, suppose we are able to spell very easily and pronounce very easily. Okay, so you have to tell anybody in a very easy manner. So which brand you are using? So Geo Network, so Geo Fiber or Geo T. Suppose Geo, what is the answer is Geo Mart. Okay, so in this way you are simply give the answer. What is the brand? You have to choose. Okay, so just like it shows impact, create impact on the customer mind with the brand also. So after that, packaging. So packaging of product is also very, very important. So it shows a huge impact on the customer, so it attracts the customer to purchase that product. Okay, so then The packaging is attracting the customer to able to purchase that product. So because all of you know that suppose if you are went to some shop, you are go to some shop. Suppose if you are seeing some packing that is attracted color or shape or something, then the packaging style is attracting. You are suppose you pay attention on that product. So because of the packaging style, okay. So the packaging is great an impact on customer mind. Then he is attracted. Then he is tried that product at one time. So that is important thing. So then packaging is also another important thing based on the product. Then services, what type of services you have to provide it after purchasing the product or after selling the product. So that is also important. What type of services you are offered to the customer. So suppose warranty service, warranty and maintenance or something. Suppose if you are purchasing a refrigerator, so or some AC, then they are giving demonstration and they are also installing. Of that, they are giving some demo also. Okay. So the packaging, sorry, services. This is the service. Okay. So what type of services you have to offer after selling your product? That is also very important thing. So and after that warranty. So warranty. So you are providing warranty. So how many years you are provide to warranty? Suppose is there any problem in the product, then you give some warranty for that. That means in that warranty period you are not charging anything. So suppose I have to only collect the money uh, from the customer for parts only. So the remaining thing is free. Okay, so that is the warranty. So, and after that, price is another important thing. So another important component, another important element in the marketing mix. So price is also shows major impact on marketing. So because if you are offering a lowest price, lower price rather than your current, suppose compared to your competitor, then you are offering a low price, then ultimately you are the leader in the market. Suppose you are the winner in the price race. So because there is a price war, okay. So in competition market, there is a price war. So those who are giving low prices, then automatically customers are shifted to that one. Suppose if I take an example of the Geo, so while they are entering into the telecom sector, so many people are suppose all we are expecting he is success in this telecom business. Why he is coming into the business? Then already there are some major competitors. Suppose all the already they are in the market. Also they are taking much more profits from the market. So they are having the strong network base. How we sustain? How the Geo is sustained in the market. So how Geo is facing the competition in the market. So because he has awareness about all these things. Suppose you are investing something. Suppose you are purchasing a 30,000 rupees TV or a 20,000 rupees mobile. Then you are thinking it's different. Okay, so based on your income levels, so your assumption is different. Suppose if you are investing some 30,000 to 20,000, you are very much careful about that. So you are thinking, and also you are taking opinions from different persons. After that, only you have to decide to buy this product, whether phone or a TV or a something or refrigerator or something. So suppose Geo, Mukesh Ambani is investing some crores of rupees in lakhs. Suppose some lakhs of crores he is investing in the business. So how he is confident about all these things? Suppose investment, then he is already some strategy and also he has some team. They are already conducting a marketing research that is very important in the marketing function. So yesterday I am already discussing about this thing. So before he is entering into the telecom sector, before he is conducting a marketing research on telecom sector. So because and another important thing is that two children, he has two children. Then they are also involving in the geo business. Suppose geo strategy. So then what they feel already some suppose already they are using the some mobile networks. Then they feel how uh, what they expecting from the telecom company. So because youth are very very important, because now the telecommunications are mobile networks are based on majorly focusing on youth, because they are using the heavy internet, and also suppose heavy calls compared to other, and also business people. So then already they are business people. So that is one thing. And another important thing is he is taking feedback from his children. So how you are feeling with the existing networks. So they are sharing their views. Suppose I am feeling like this, I am feeling like this. Suppose in previous scenario in telecom sector, suppose uh, you if you are using a if you want to using mobile internet, then you have to purchase some mobile data. Okay, suppose 2 GB data or 1 GB data with 100 rupees or 90 rupees or something. So you are separately purchasing the mobile data. Suppose if you are already having the validity and also some calling features. Suppose for calling, suppose talk time is different. Suppose is there any rate cutters needed? Suppose if you are using more and more, suppose you make more and more calls, then you are doing separate recharge and rate cutter. So that is a special tariff voucher, STVs, and regular talk time, that is different one. And after that, for SMSs, you have to done separate recharge. And also after that, you need some internet, then you are going to separate recharge. So suppose if you are doing all these things, then the monthly bill will become almost all 400 rupees or something like that around. Then you are getting only the 2 GB or 3 GB data. Sorry, 1 GB or 2 GB data only. So for total 1 month, you have to use that data only. So the data usage rate is very, very low before entering the Geo into the telecom sector. Now the data usage rate is very much high compared to the other developing countries, other developed countries. So we are Indians are using more and more data after entering Geo into the market. Okay, telecom sector. So this is shows a very very important impact on the uh, uh, mm, telecom sector. So in this, after entering after Geo is entering, then that they are having some strategy, price strategy. Suppose they are giving all these things into a single package. So you need not recharge separate. Suppose for they are giving SMSs and they are giving some complementary apps, and also they are giving unlimited calling, and also they are giving some data based on some conditions. Suppose 1.5 GB data, 1 GB data, 1.5 GB data, and 2 GB data and 3 GB data. Based on customer requirement, they are selecting. So but the remaining things are same. For every recharge, there is unlimited calling, and they you are getting 100 SMSs free. So you are not going to any other thing. Okay, so because all the things are in a bundle form, bundle offer. Okay, so the customer felt very happy with all these things, so there is no confusion at all. So basically you need some calls and also some data. So if based on your data usage, then you have to select the package. So there is no confusion at all. The customer is feel free to select the package what he wants, then there is no confusion at all. And also pricing strategy. So when they are entering into the market, they are giving some free services to some months. So suppose early access or suppose welcome offer or something. So they are providing that offers. Then the customers are attracted to purchase the or use the Geo network. So because they are freely offering services, then automatically customers are habituated to Geo. Then after that, they are offering their offered the services with price, and also they are collecting money from the customer. They are ready to pay because they are habituated to Geo network. This is one strategy. Okay, so pricing strategy, that means they are offering with zero price. After that, they are taking some money. After that, they are completely commercialized. Okay, so that's why the pricing strategy and price is very very important. So if you are giving a better price, then ultimately customers are using your product only. So and after that, third one is allowances. So allowances are very very important. What are the allowances you have to provide with a price? That is also important. Additional things what you have to provide, and then that is called as allowances. And after that, discounts. Or you are giving any discounts. Suppose if you are doing this recharge, then you are getting some discount on it. Suppose in Jio, at the time of suppose introduction time, suppose Jio is giving some coupons, 50 rupees coupons. They are freely given. Suppose if you are done 200 rupees recharge, then you are getting 8 discount vouchers. Okay, so then these are very useful after suppose in next recharges, then you are getting the 50 rupees discount with applying this coupon. Okay, so like this way they are giving the discounts also. Then payment terms and what are the suppose what are the terms and requirements regarding the payment. So suppose is there any conditions related to the payments, then you have to mention it. So these are all comes under price. Then after that, place. So place is also another important thing. So uh, so the place where you have to suppose the market, suppose where you have to establish the plant, and where you are where you are selling your product. So these are all very very important things. Suppose you have to choose the place, then that is based on these factors you have to select the place. Okay, so first channels of distribution, that is channels, that means after production is completed, then the producer is transferred his product to the consumer. That is very very important thing. That means the product is reached to the consumer. That for that purpose only have to make the production or do the business. Okay, so otherwise there is no need. Okay, so ultimately the product is delivered to the customer. That is the major concept involved in the marketing. So for that purpose, you have to establish the channels of distribution. So in coming classes, then we have discussed about these channels of distribution separately. So and after that, market coverage, how much area you have to coverage. So you are correct. You are only focusing on within the state, or whether it is a local market, that means within your area, or national level or international level. So based on this, uh, your strategy is also different. So then you have to, according to the place, according to the market coverage, then you have to identify the place. That means where there is a market, your product, then you have to establish the plants in the plant in that place only. So because your product has huge market in that area, so then you are establishing a plant very nearest to that area, then you are benefited with low cost production. Okay, after that, assortment. Okay, so assortment is also another important thing in the uh, place component. So what is the meaning of assortment is, so assortment means you have to miscellaneously collection of things or people. Okay, so that means you have to divide, that means group wise. So the assortment is very very important. So collection of things or people, that means you have to collection of things and or people, that is nothing but the assortment. Okay, so at that place you have to collect the things which is related to your marketing aspect. Then you have to collect all of them, then you have to focus, and also you come together with you what is that you have to integrate all these things which are related to your marketing, and how to improve your market share in the market. Then you have to uh, uh, then you have to integrate all these things. Okay, so then after that, location, plant location is very very important. So where you have to locate your plant, that is another important thing. Where there is a market, and also where there is a benefits to your business, then you have to take select that location. Okay, so then location is very very important. So location, some factors are there. Suppose you have to locate your plant in some area, then the plant has that location has some features. So that is transporting features, and there is electricity, and also there is an manpower availability, and also there is weather conditions of that location. That is, these are all very important things. So, and raw material availability. So you are selecting some location, then the raw material, the basic raw material for your product, that is available in a very nearest to your plant, or something closer to your location. Okay, then then you are benefited with low cost. Then the transport cost is very less, and also you have all the resources. So then ultimately you are benefited. Okay, so you have to select the plant location. You have to consider all these factors. Okay, so then after that, inventory. So inventory is very important. The inventory is nothing but, it is nothing but a raw material or something. So, and the availability of the raw material is very important. Then you have to select that location. Then your transport, then transport cost is well decreased. Then ultimately you are getting losses. Sorry, you are getting profit. So because the cost of production is very low, then ultimately your profit will be increased. So then after the transport facility at that place, you have to choose some place. Then there is a transport facility. That means there is a connectivity with the suppose airports, or some shipyards, suppose, or something. Then yeah, all these facilities are there. Then the transport is very easy. So right now, so Vizag has these two facilities, because there is a air connectivity is there, international airport is there, and also there is a shipyard. So we are getting anything from shipyards, so imported with from through the uh, seaway. So like this, it has some uh, uh, benefits. Suppose it has some features. That means facilities are there, infrastructure is there. So, and also it is already developed city. That's why in government's view, it is the best one. Okay, so I'm not talking about the politics, just the perception of the leaders. Okay, they are justifying his decision in this way. Okay, so the transport facilities are very important. The roads and seaway and also air ways, all these facilities are there in that particular location. Then automatically the business in that area also develop. Okay, so all the people are, suppose all the investors are putting their plants in that area, because all their because the facilities already provided by the government in a huge manner. Then they are using that facilities for their businesses also, because there is no need to any new establishment. There is no cost for this. Okay, so this is the place, about the place component. And next one is promotion. Coming to the promotion, this is also very important thing in the marketing. So without promotion, you are unable to promote your project, your product into the market, or introduce your product into the market. So because every company has done, every business is completely, suppose is focusing on this promotion. So without promotion activities, your product is not reached to customers, and also not attracting the customers. Okay, so based on your promotion activities, your product is reached to the customer, and also it is a uh, it, and the customer is paying attention on your product. Okay, so the sales promotion is very important. So some of the budget is allocated for this purpose, for the from the organization side, they are allocating some budget for it. So because it is a loss item, it is expense item, but you definitely go for it. So suppose if you are taking the geo example in previous, so at the time of introduction, they are not taking any money from the customer. They are giving some offers. So now also they are giving some offers. They are giving some offers to the customers. This is promotion activities. So recently the Jio is announced some freedom packs. That is, there is no daily limit on that data. Suppose for 1 month they are giving, suppose 100 GB data. At single day you have to use the complete 100 GB data. There is no restriction on daily 1 GB or 2 GB limit. There is no limit is there. So you are using the complete data at 1 day. Suppose there is no restriction at all. Suppose in 1 day, suppose day one you have the heavy requirement, and day two you're not having some requirement. The data, you are not using the data. So why it is beneficial to the customer? Suppose if you are using not, suppose if you are not using the data within the time frame, then he loses the benefit of the recharge. Okay, suppose they are giving the 2 GB data. Suppose I am not using the 2 GB data completely on that day, then ultimately it is waste. Okay, because it is removed by the operator. Okay, so they are removed after the time is come. Suppose after 12 o'clock, so the data is renewed, so the old data is waste and the new data is coming. Okay, in this way the customer is getting, suppose the customer, from the customer side it is a disadvantage to the customer. So so they are thinking about these type of people, those who are not using the much more data. They are giving some bulk data for all these days. Suppose for 30 days they are giving some 30 GB data. So you have to you are using the 30 GB data within the month. So after that it is vanished or removed. Okay, so then some benefit is there. Suppose after 30 GB data you are using, then you want to more data, then you have to recharge with some top ups. So some 50 rupees or 200 rupees, then you are using that. So but there is no wastage of data. Okay, suppose if you are not using the data, it is used in next day. Okay, so there is no issue. Suppose if you are using only 200 MB data in day one, then the remaining data is there. So suppose if you have require more data required in second day, suppose if you are using 1 GB data in second day, then you are using the data into the second day. So first in first day you are saving. Suppose if before you have to take the 1 GB data package, then you are saving the 800 GB 800 MB data, then you are using the data into next day. Suppose at last of the month, then you are using the complete data. Suppose if you are using more and more data, so then you have to plan that according to your requirement. You have to plan that. Okay, so this is very much useful for those who are using the data in a less manner. Okay, so at that suppose the this is marketing. Okay, so this is marketing. That means you focus on the requirements of the customer. So the GA is thinking about the requirements of the customer. So some people are feel discomfort in this way, then they are giving option to the customers also. Those are doing less data, then this is very useful for uh, that type of customers. Okay, so this is nothing but a promotion. So from your side it is a promotion activity. So you have to promote your brand, and also you are creating some impact on your customer. Okay, so that is sales promotion. So suppose 1+1 offer. Suppose if you are purchasing this product, suppose you are coming into the e-commerce websites, then they are giving some offers at suppose introductory offer we are giving 100 rupees discount on HDFC card or ICICI Bank card or something, or SBI card or something. This is nothing but a promotion. So after that, advertising another important concept. So advertisements also very important in the promotion. So you are giving some attracted advertisements in attracted way. So then only there the customers are paying attention on your product. So suppose you are designing an design advertisement in a attracting manner, then only they are paying attention on your advertisements. Okay, so you are designing and developing advertisements in a beautiful manner, and also they are attracting to the customer. So you are regularly giving advertisements, then the customers are paying attention on it, then they are ready to purchase your product, or they are thinking about uh, purchasing your product. So then after that, public relations is another important thing in marketing. So you have to maintain a good public relation with people. So customers are something outside of the, suppose uh, uh, people in the society. So then it creates an impact uh, in their minds. Then you have to promote your product with public relations only. Then you have to maintain a good public relations. Then you have to promote your product in a very easy manner. Then you are ultimately you are benefited with the uh, mm, you are benefited with the more sales. Okay, so and after that direct marketing. So direct marketing is very important. So nowadays so many companies are using the direct marketing technique. So some Amazon and Flipkart and all these are comes under direct marketing. So there is no mediator for the in the businesses in these businesses. So the customer and manufacturer. So you are directly purchasing from the manufacturer. There is only intermediary is there. So one Amazon or Flipkart. So you are directly place the order and are also are benefited with the discounts. They are giving the discounts. Then it is beneficial to both of them. So you are getting some benefits, and also for directly purchase the product without any intermediaries. Then you have to read all about the things or features or specifications of the product, and then you have to read the reviews of the customers. So without suppose if you are going for direct purchase, then you are unable to getting all the reviews. Okay, suppose you are going online purchase, then you are able to know what are the reviews uh, of the customers. Previously they are purchased this product, they are using this product, they are giving the feedback. Okay, so with that feedback, then you are able to understand what are the merits and demerits in the product, what are the pros and cons of the product. Then you are analyzing all these things, then you are take the decision whether you purchase this product or not. Okay, so this is another important thing, another useful thing in the direct marketing. So these are all related to the promotion. Okay, so this is about marketing mix. Okay, so marketing mix is very, very important. So in the suppose product mix or marketing mix, in the marketing mix, first one is the product mix. So it is used to describe the assortment of different product types and their varieties. In addition, different tangible and intangible features of the product also from the product mix. So, and after that, price mix. Under price mix refers to the decisions relating to the price charged for the product, services or ideas. So how much amount you have to charge it from the customer after, suppose if you are purchasing the product, then how much amount you have to charge it for your services or product or idea. Then after that, promotion mix refers to the activities related to the promotion of the product, okay, or service or idea. So how to promote your product, you have to design the things. And place mix, place or physical distribution mix refers to the activities that are involved in transferring ownership to consumers at the right time and right place. You have to transfer your ownership. Marketing means you have to change, you have to transfer your ownership to the customer. Then you are the producer, you are transferring your ownership to the customer at right time and right price. Okay, so that is the base mix. Okay, so this is about marketing mix.